Do you want to know how to make $1,000 per week with ChatGPT? I will show you step by step how you can do it starting from zero. Stay with me until the end of this video and you will learn how to make your first $1,000 with ChatGPT. I'm going to share this step-by-step guide about how to make $1,000 online using ChatGPT, powerful AI tools, and affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how you can make money online, mainly with affiliate marketing, and make much more than just $1,000. And to help you that is on the beginning trying to make money online, I will show you how you're gonna do it starting from zero. Okay, watch this video until the end, pay attention to the details, because your chances to make $1,000 or more are very high. To get started, the first step you need to do is create an account on a quality affiliate marketing platform. I indicate for you to sign up on ClickBank. It's very easy to create an account on ClickBank and it's completely free. Here on ClickBank, the page will be just like this. You see the information of the platform here, and then you sign up. Click on start here, create your free account. After you create your ClickBank account, you go to affiliate marketplace, then you're gonna choose your products. Here is the options that you're gonna have. There will be a lot of options of products that you can start to promote. I indicate that you choose products that have high demand and that will solve people problems. As an example, on the following niches: health, wellness, wealth, financial, how to make money online, and technology. These are high quality niches that are gonna have high demand and very good chance to make your first sales fast. After you choose the products that you're going to be selling online, you need to choose powerful AI tools to promote them. And here I will show you a list of the best AI tools that you can promote your products and start to make sales online. The goal here is to help you make $1,000 per week or more. Let's go. The first powerful AI tool to help you make sales of your affiliate marketing products is ChatGPT. This powerful AI tool will help you build your video marketing campaigns, social media campaigns, and all the information that you need to make successful sales with your affiliate marketing products. Together with ChatGPT, you're gonna need other AI powerful tools that I will show you right now. The second powerful AI tool to help you together with ChatGPT is InVideo. With InVideo, you can create high quality videos and make your marketing campaign with videos on YouTube, other social media. You can make a sequence of videos together with ChatGPT to create the information for the videos, and with InVideo you're gonna create the videos itself. Is where AI gonna make the information of your ChatGPT calls into videos. Okay, another one is Pictory. It's another AI video creator where you can use the information that you're gonna call on ChatGPT and then create into video here on Pictory. I will show you an example of how you can start the creation of your campaigns with ChatGPT, and then you're gonna bring the information from ChatGPT here on one of these two, or in video or Pictory. Okay, here on ChatGPT you can make this question to start your video marketing campaign, just like this. Make a list of video marketing campaigns to promote my affiliate marketing products starting from zero. So this way ChatGPT will provide you the information to create your campaigns. Here is the first answer that we have from ChatGPT, a list of video marketing campaigns information that you can promote and make sales of your affiliate marketing products. If you wanna more information about specific topics here, you can call for ChatGPT. Let's give here an example of how you can do it. You can ask for more information to social media ads. If you want to make ads with your products, you can ask for more information here, just like this. More information about topic 6, and then you bring here the topic 6, social media ads, and just like this you're gonna have more detailed information about this specific topic. Okay, and now how you're gonna bring this information to the other AI tools that you're gonna be working to make your video marketing sequence. Here you're gonna create your account, sign up. You're gonna be able to create your free account. You can sign up with Google or Facebook, or even create with your email here. Then you start to make the use of your free account to create your videos with powerful AI tools. The same thing you can do here on Pictory. You create your free trial account, sign up here for free, and then start to create your videos. Okay, the first powerful AI tool that I indicate for you to help on the creation of your social media posts is Tome AI. This powerful AI generator of posts will help you to make a lot of posts and make successful campaigns for your affiliate marketing products. You can also use Canva for the creation of your products. This is a completely powerful creator of posts to make campaigns and make sales of affiliate marketing. Both you can create your account for free, start to use your free account, and then bring the information from ChatGPT to both of these websites to create your social media posts. Here on ChatGPT, I will make the questions to give you examples of how you can make your affiliate marketing products campaigns. and start to make your sales on your journey to make our first $1,000 per week. This is the goal. Okay, let's do it. You can make this question to make your first campaigns for social media posts. Make a list of social media posts to sell my affiliate marketing products, starting from zero. Always ask for ChatGPT, make a list for you that is starting from zero, that is on the beginning, so it can bring more organic options for your marketing campaigns, video marketing campaigns, social media campaigns, every information that you need to make the creation of your affiliate marketing campaigns. As you can see here, we have the answer from ChatGPT with 10 topics to make your social media posts campaigns. You can choose the best ones and then ask for more detailed information. As an example, I will show you here for the number 5, promotion posts. You can ask for more detailed information like this. More information about top 5, and then you bring it. Promotion post. After you have more detailed information, you bring all this information that you have here, the best ones, and then come to Tom AI or Canva and make the creation of your social media posts, all related to your affiliate marketing products. Okay, always look to bring solution and solve people problems with the affiliate marketing products that you're gonna be promoting. This way, the chances for you to make your first $1,000 per week will be much higher. I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, make a comment below here on the video, and if you need more guidance, you can ask information here for ChatGPT. You can try to have more specific informations by asking the way that you need for every product, so you can get information for the campaigns for every exclusive product that you're gonna be making the promotion on your social media marketing campaigns. Okay, this is it. Following the step-by-step guide I show you here on this video, you're gonna have great chance to make your first $1,000 online with ChatGPT, powerful AI tools, and affiliate marketing, starting from zero, right from the beginning. I truly believe that you can do it, and I'm here to help you be successful online. If you enjoyed the content on this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for my next videos. I'm Cristopher Investor, this is the Life Evolution Project, and I'm here to help you.